So the first question is, from the following group, select the one which has only secondary metabolites. So the correct answer is option D, that is conclavin A, morphine, coidine and vinoblastin. And the next question is, in a diploid cell, at which stages of cell cycle the amount of DNA is doubled? So the correct answer is that is S phase. And the next question is, sporopollenin is a constituent of a pollen enzyme. It can be degraded by the action of, so the correct answer is option D, that is cannot be degraded. And the next question is, the pollen grains of rice and wheat lose their viability in minutes of their release. So the correct answer is option A, that is 30 minutes. And after double fertilization, a mature ovule has, so the correct answer is option B, that is one diploid and one triploid cell. Starting from the maximum, arrange the following male reproductive accessory organ in the correct order based on the amount of secretion poured into urethra. So the correct answer is option D. And the next question is, which of the following contraceptive devices make uterus unsuitable for implementation? So the correct answer is option A, that is progesterone. And the next question is, in Miller's experiment, he used a mixture of CH4, NH3, H2 and water vapors in a closed flask to mimic earlier earth conditions. What was the temperature at which this flask was kept? So the correct answer is option A, that is 800 degrees Celsius. And the next question is, sexual stage of plasmodium occur in? So the correct answer is option B, that is human RBC. And the occurrence of triploid primary endosperm nucleus is characteristic feature of? So the correct answer is option C, that is angiosperm. Which of the following is a cloning vector? So the correct answer is option B, that is TI plasmid. And the next question is, India is one of the 12 megadiversity countries of genetical resources of the world. So the correct answer is option D, that is 8.1%. And the next question is, which of the following is not an invasive species? So the correct answer is option B, that is Nelumbo lotus. The next question is, intercalated discs are characteristics of muscles found in? So the correct answer is option A, that is heart. And is, in which of the following sets of organisms does the external fertilization occur? So the correct answer is option C, that is amphibians and algae. RNA interference is essential for? So the correct answer is option B, that is cell defense. And the next question is, does oolong and brick are varieties of? So the correct answer is option C, that is T. And the next question is, ventricular diastole occur due to an? So the correct answer is option C, that is tissue. And the next question is, pebrine in silkworms is caused by? So the correct answer is option C, that is nosema. Which of the following is a homopolysaccharide? So the correct answer is option B, that is insulin. Is oxygen binding to hemoglobin in blood is? So the correct answer is option B, that is inversely proportional to the concentration of carbon dioxide in the medium. And the next question is, lag hemoglobin is produced in response to? So the correct answer is option D, that is nitrogen fixation. And the next question is, the extinct human ancestor who ate only fruits and hunted with the stone weapons was? So the correct answer is option B, that is Australopithecus. And the next question is, in a normal adult, ascending order of concentration of following molecule is? So the correct answer is option A, that is potassium, sodium, iron and copper. Which of the following statements is incorrect about G0 phase? So the correct answer is option A, that is mitosis occur after G0 phase. Cattle ranches are known to cause acute greenhouse effect. This is due to? So the correct answer is option B, that is methanogenic bacteria in rumen. And the next question is, Crane's anatomy is usually associated with? So the correct answer is option B, that is C4 plants. And the next question is, microtubule depolymerization drug such as colchicine is expected to? So the correct answer is option A, that is inhibit spindle formation during mitosis. And the next question is, catecholamine in a normal person induces? So the correct answer is option B, that is alertness. Plants with inferior ovary usually bear? So the correct answer is option A, that is pseudocarp. In aerobic respiration, total number of ATP molecules formed from one glucose molecule is? So the correct answer is option C, that is 36. And the next question is, which of the following cartoon characters does not share its name with that of gene? So the correct answer is option A, that is Tintin. And the next question is, apiculture is associated with which of the following group of plants? So the correct answer is option C, that is guava, sunflower, strawberry. And the next question is, during muscular contraction, which of the following events occur? So the correct answer is option A. And the last question is, the release of chemical messenger from synaptic vesicles is under the influence of these genes? So the correct answer is option C, that is calcium. Option is choose the correct statement. So the correct answer is option C, that is signal for parturitions comes from fully developed fetus placenta. And the next question is one of the world's most poisonous fish toxins is released by. So the correct answer is option D, that is puffer fish. And the next question is sodium or potassium pump is associated with. So the correct answer is option B, that is active transport. And the next question is which one has the largest species variety in India? So the correct answer is option C, that is right. Microscope usually used for seeing living cells or tissues is. So the correct answer is option C, that is phase contrast microscope. Of the following is correct regarding respiration in adult frog. So the correct answer is option B, that is on land, skin and buccal cavity. And the next question is which of the following is correctly matched? So the correct answer is option B, that is Dahlia fasciculated root. And the next question is the cells of rubber are. So the correct answer is option D, that is cells of trophoblast in contact with inner cell mass of blastocyte. And the next question is deuteromycetes are known as fungi imperfecti because. So the correct answer is option B, only sexual stages are known. Abscisic acid is known as stress hormone because it. So the correct answer is option D, that is promotes closure of stomata. Which of the following statements is correct? So the correct answer is option D, that is ovulation in human is spontaneous. And the next question is which of the following evidences does not favor the Lamarckism concept of inheritance of acquired character? So the correct answer is option B, that is melanization in peppered moth. And the next question is which of the following is a correct match? So the correct answer is option B, that is earthworm gizzard typhlosorus. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by the valve named. So the correct answer is option B, that is tricuspid valve. And the last question is which one of the following is correct regarding the excretion? So the correct answer is option B, that is the descending limb of loop of Henle is completely impermeable to salt. So thank you. God bless you.